I bought an 80-year-old lady's entire collection of craft supplies, and we're opening bin number 21. Already, I see some fun stuff in here and in here. There is a collection of markers. Let's see what brand we've got and what type. Be Bold and Stand Out brush marker. Is that the brand? I haven't heard of these. Huh. Lots of pretty colors here. I kind of want to do a little test swatching. Hold on. I didn't push hard enough. Hold on, let me try a different color. Okay, let me push a little harder. Oh, okay. It just feels like a regular marker, to be honest. I'm not going to lie. It is a little, you know, fine pointed, but yeah, pretty cool. These will be available in our shop. Ooh, there are some charms in here. I see some really exciting ones. Let's see what we got. Oh, I don't know if they're actually charms that hang. Some of them are. Like this turtle is not. It just looks like a turtle. A turtle that looks like a turtle. I don't know. They just look like little metal backings, but then like these tiny, you're probably not gonna be able to see them. These tiny starfish. Oh, they're too tiny. They're too tiny. They do have a little ring. Oh my gosh, these are very tiny. There's little bumblebees and ballerinas and coins. They're palm trees. Probably way too small to show on camera. Let me see. Oh, lobsters. I tried showing them up close. They just got blurry, so I don't know. There's ladybugs. You'll just have to take my description of them. Okay, there is some beads in here and little crystal gems. Very cute. I don't know if I should open these. Maybe. Let's take a look. They are jam-packed in there, but there is some little, I don't know, plastic beads, some hearts, velvet hearts on a strand. There's a couple of those. Little diamonds. Super cute and shiny. They're kind of like a beige off-white color. There are some heart ornaments in here. These are actually really cute. They almost look Alice in Wonderland themed. There are some little iridescent little beads. They all seem to be plastic. There's some green ones here, some pink star garland. Wait, I really like that. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I like it. Some diamonds, more diamonds. These ones are actually, these are more of a clear white. Very pretty. And some more iridescent, very pretty garland. Ooh, I love how shiny that one is. Oh, wait, I found something else in here. I know some of you were looking for the larger beads. There's definitely a ton more. There's like a really big collection of beads that we'll get to. But in the meantime, here's some really cute turquoise ones. Got some little metal plastic trays. Not sure what those go to. And a good old big shot. This is a die cutting and embossing machine. I did do a video of one recently to show you how you can use metal dies to cut out focal points out of paper and plastic embossing folders to emboss paper and cardstock. I have one of these, not this pretty fancy one, but I do have one and I love it very, very much. Which, by the way, if you are local to our shop in Tampa Bay, Florida, we are starting a new bin of the day. So for 1, maybe 2 days, we'll have the bin that we opened available in a specific section of our shop so that you can come grab what you want. And then after that, it'll get sprinkled through our store onto eBay or put back into storage if we have too much of it on the sales floor already. If you're not local, keep an eye on our eBay because some of this will wind up there as well. Everything can be found at bottomofthebin.com. We have the plates and the platforms for that embossing machine, that die cut machine. And some extra goodies. Look at all those. This one as well. Oh, I see something else at the bottom. Oh, wait. Did you guys notice? That is the metal one, the magnetic one that I have. Everyone was asking where I got it. Here's one that'll be for sale. We have some more plastic trays. Frosty contact paper. We've actually sold a few of these already. We had some in another bin. There's a cute little flower box with recipe cards, maybe, I don't know, and a little tomato. I guess he just wants to be cooked. Anybody want to make some tomato sauce? Tomato soup? I don't know. Bob's ready, and he's not. Come on, we're not gonna eat Bob. We're not gonna eat Bob. See if these are even recipe cards. They are. Here's what's cooking. Here's my be vintage. Recipe savers. Flapjacks pancakes. Interesting. Very cool. Very cool little find. And a cute box. I swear we found almost as many little wooden birdhouses as we have Bobs. Ooh, okay. The card maker in me is happy to find all of this cardstock. We have some fishies. Down here some solid reds, polka dots, striped watches. I need these. I need these. They look like my bed sheets. Seriously. Oh, those are so pretty. Some roses. I love my florals, especially my pink florals. More roses. Which way do they go? I don't even know. Some holiday mix. Cute little pink and red snowmen. Ooh, wait. Check out the pretty marbled paper. Lots of fun colors in there. This is what I got excited about. This is the exact same paper trimmer that I use by Fiskars. I use one for my card making. We have one in the shop that we use for our flyers and our posters and our signs. And we have a few that we use for classes. So I'm gonna debate if I'm gonna save this one for classes or if it's gonna be available for sale. And we've got some more cardstocks. So that does it for bin number 21. Is that where we're at? Don't forget to follow or subscribe so you don't miss the next unbinning.